Hey, welcome back to the Ernest P YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and today we're going to do something cool to the UPS truck. I went ahead and ordered 2 Underglow kits. So, a little bit ricer, but I figured it'd be cool in this UPS truck, get some attention. I'm about to wrap the vehicle with my company's logo and information, so kind of just getting into the advertising side of the truck here. So I figured this would get people's attention, but basically I got 2 Underglow kits because these are Underglows for a car, and this is obviously about twice as long as a car. So I'm going to set up this Underglow kit underneath the truck, and whenever it's dim outside or dark, then we'll have some custom lights going on underneath. So we can pretty much set up any combination of lights that we want here. It can be volume controlled for how bright they are, so the louder your vehicle is, I guess, the brighter they go. These preset colors, and then obviously you can select your own colors if you want to mix any colors. So probably gonna run like red and blue because those are red's my company color. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get this set up, and pretty much just kind of quickly gonna go through how it's set up, and then this evening when it gets dark, we'll show you how that looks with the Underglow underneath the truck. So I'm pretty excited. We'll go ahead and start getting them set up. Alright, so we got the front half wired up. Obviously I bought 2 kits because it's a big truck. But the first half is on the front of the truck. I got it wired in. I've got to put a fuse on it, but obviously it's daytime out, so we'll come back at night whenever it's more dark out so we can see it well. But I put this one in the grill, so it'll just be shining down in the grill. I thought that'd be cool because the front bumper got covered, and the back will need both to cover the whole back, and then the 2 rear sides will. I got the perfect amount. So here's the setup. I just ran it up through here, down through this hole up into the cab, and then I wired it into the fuse box here just through power and ground that was supplied here. Again, I have to put a 5-amp fuse in there. They sent me a fusible link, so I just gotta cut that red wire. I'm trying to decide. I may take it out here, and then I may connect that other harness into this one as well, or I may connect it straight to the battery over there. So not sure yet. I've got to figure that out, but the first one's up and running. I think the remotes might run off the same signal, so I may put one box over here and one box over there so I can run 2 different color lights at the same time. But we'll get this fixed up and out of the way, and it should run pretty good. So again, just a link, and then we'll set up those rear ones and it'll be good to go. All right, here we are. It is nighttime and I've got everything wired up. So I have these little holes here I run like the battery charger out of, and you can see this wire here comes up, and I spliced in a longer wire, 2 wires because one's a ground, one's a power, and I ran it over to here where that other connector was this morning. Let me put a light on that. So I've got them running into the same fusible link there, if you can see it. I just kind of tied everything up and out of the way. Nothing super fancy, because I may be adding to this later, I'm not sure. Anyways, there's one of the remotes. The other one is underneath the truck right in that corner. That's as far as it could reach. I had 2 sets, as you might have seen. And so I put, one set, one in the grill up front, one in the bumper, 2 on the sides here, 1 on the other side. So 1. And then in the back, I put 1 on the rear bumper, 1 on the other bumper, and then 2 on the sides. So we'll check it out. I'll show you underneath what it looks like. And let me grab the remote first. Here's the remote, the different colors. Works pretty well. We'll check it out. It's pretty sweet. So there's the front grille. Underneath, can change colors. Yeah, all that cool stuff. There you go. The rear is probably the brightest. So I've just got, you know, 2 separate ones there, and the other one's zip tied up in the bottom. And that's it. So there you have it. This is the Ernest P. YouTube channel. This is my mobile mechanic work truck, and this is what it looks like with Underglow on it. So pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing, like the video, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.